array basics. Specifically, what we're going to tackle right now is known as the static array. A static array, it's different from a dynamic array. A static array is, let's tackle it one at a time. So number one, typically when we set up our variables, like for example, let's say I have a score from a student, we could set up a variable like this. Let's say I wanted 5,000 scores. Let's say I had 5,000 students as an example. I would say score one, then I have to create score two, score three, score four, score five. Imagine if I had to write this and all the way to score 5,000. It doesn't seem like it's very practical, right? So this is not valid syntax dot dot dot. But just imagine if I actually did have to write all these separate variables and keep track of them manually, it'd be a nightmare. So for that reason, let's say if we want to have many variables, but we don't want them to be all separated. We want them to be all in one kind of container. And that's what an array is. That's what an array is, just a general array. So it's several variables all together in one place. Now, as far as the static, this is good.